Hello everyone, welcome to Pham Ngu Lao Primary School. Today we study Unit 3. The first here is great. And with this unit we study the last lesson. And in the lesson 6 we study 3 skills: listening, speaking, and but first of all, let's play this game. I have a game for you. This called breakfast quiz. Now let's start. So, you read the definition and tell me, what is it? So, this is a meal in a day. You can eat it with your family in the evening. Okay, so what is it? Let's start. That's right, dinner. The meal in a day you eat with your family in the evening, that is dinner. Next, this dish is very good for your health. There are many kinds of vegetables in it. That is salad. Yeah, the dish is very good. This dish is very good for your health, and there are many kinds of vegetables in it. That is salad. Next one, we have this meal in the morning. We have this meal in the morning. So what meal is it? That is breakfast. So you eat this meal in the morning. That is breakfast. This is a kind of fast food. It's round. You need to cut it into pieces when you eat. So what is it? Let's see. Pizza. Yeah, this is a kind of fast food. It's round. You need to cut it into pieces when you eat. That is pizza. Next one, this is Vietnamese noodle soup. It's very famous and yummy. It's so delicious. So what is that? Phở. Yeah. Vietnamese noodle soup we call. Next one, we need this kind of drink every day. It has no smell, no colors. What is that? A kind of drink. Water. Yeah. No smell, no water. No smell, no color. That is water. Okay, so let me tell you about the last lesson. Last lesson we studied about the favorite breakfast foods of three children: Sayaka from Japan, Pham from Vietnam, and Hata from Indonesia. For is Sayaka, her favorite breakfast food are toast and meat. With whom we can see that she loves dry noodle soup and sticky rice. And with Hatta from Indonesia, we can see that he eats bubur ayam, that is porridge made from rice, and nasi goreng, that is fried rice. Those are Indonesian traditional food. And now, I have a job for you. So, we have 3 pictures. And what you have to do right now is listen and write the number into the blank. But if you order, listen and order the picture. Okay? So, let's listen.
Listening 29. Listen and number. 1,
We rarely go to restaurants because my mother loves cooking. I usually help her, and we cook a big lunch every day. We have lots of different food, but my favorite is fish and rice. We always have fruit after the meal.
2,
My family usually goes to a pizza restaurant on Saturdays. I always have cheese and tomato pizza with chicken. I love pizza. My mom and dad usually have pasta, and we always eat our meal with salad.
3,
On Sundays, my family always eats together. We always have a big dinner with meat, vegetables, and rice. Sometimes my grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins come too. It's a very special day for us because all the family is together.
Okay, from the listening, we can see the answer like number 1 is picture C. Number 2,
Listening
picture
29. Listen
B.
and number.
And number 3 is picture
1.
Okay, another one. We have to listen again. Listen the listening again and circle the correct phrase. Okay, so which is A? They have dinner or lunch. Which picture B? They have pizza with chicken or pizza with fish. And picture C? She make fish salad, fish or salad. Okay, now let's listen again.
Listening 29. Listen and number. 1,
We rarely go to restaurants because my mother loves cooking. I usually help her, and we cook a big lunch every day. We have lots of different food, but my favorite is fish and rice. We always have fruit after the meal.
2,
My family usually goes to a pizza restaurant on Saturdays. I always have cheese and tomato pizza with chicken. I love pizza. My mom and dad usually have pasta, and we always eat our meal with salad.
3,
On Sundays, my family always eats together. We always have a big dinner with meat, vegetables, and rice. Sometimes my grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins come too. It's a very special day for us because all the family is together.
Okay, so from the listening, we can see that in picture A, they have dinner. Picture B, they have pizza with chicken. And picture C, she made salad.
listening 20.
Okay, next, we're gonna move to speaking. In this speaking task, you have to work at home. You have to do it at home. So I give you a question, and you have to work with your friend or your family. Okay. Now let's practice at home. Is a question. Question number 1. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Number 2. What is your favorite meal? Number 3. Do you go to restaurant with your family? Number 4. Where do you eat your lunch? Number 5. What time do you eat dinner? Number 6. What's your favorite drink? Number 7. Who cooks in your family? And number 8. What can you cook? So let's practice these questions at home. Another one is writing task. Writing. In this writing, I would like to show you something. So we can break words into small sound or syllables. There are 2 syllables in this word. First one is salad. Salad. We have 2 syllables. Now, with question number 4. So, you need to say this word, clap, and count the syllable in this word. Then write the number into the thing. So, we have 6 words in here. Now, let's do with me. Number 1, dinner. How many syllables? Dinner, 2 syllables. Number 2, sit. How many syllables? 1 syllable. Number 3, server. How many syllables? 2 syllables. Number 4, banana. banana. How many syllables? Let's clap. How many syllables? 3 syllables. Number 5, customer. How many syllables? 3 syllables. Number 6, me. How many syllables? 1 syllable. Okay. Let's practice by yourself with another word. And number 5, write food you usually eat. Now for breakfast, what do you eat? For lunch, what do you eat? And for dinner, what do you eat? And when you go to the restaurant, what do you eat? So I'm gonna do some example for you. For breakfast, I eat hot noodle soup and bread. For lunch, I have fried with steak or fish and soup. For dinner, I eat fried with steak, salad or fish and soup. In the restaurant, I have pizza and spaghetti. That's my favorite food. It's the end of the lesson today. Thank you for listening.